Okay, so we're gonna see my dogs jump for treats. Hey, Annie, come here. Sit. Paw. Paw. Hmm? Come on.
Brown.
Come here.
Brown.
Sit.
Hi Kelly, this is Chris.
Oh, good
I was
boy.
just wondering, what the CPR challenge is on the 16th that's on that calendar for August. Because I was just going over it and I see that I am due for my CPR and first aid. I didn't know if this was something I could just come in and take the test or if I actually have to sit through the whole class. And if so, is there a different day that you're doing it other than the 14th from 9:30 to 4:30? If you could give me a call back, I greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.
So close.
It'd be nice if we could just get someone just to whiz me through it. I mean, seriously, I have 2 certifications. What more do they want?
Paw.
I have one through American Heart and I have one through the Red
No,
Cross.
we can't use that. That's cheating. Come on.
Which one?
Get it.
American Heart? Yeah. I don't mind doing it. It's just the idea.
Good boy. Sit. Come here. Over here. Oh, whatever. Paw.
They changed our
Paw.
pay periods now.
Good boy.
I know. So
Why?
I don't know, but it drives me insane because now I have to have my paperwork done by Saturday and Saturday.
Yeah, it drives me not, like I don't understand the logic behind that.
Good
Well, I don't
boy.
have anybody anyhow, so it really
Come on.
doesn't matter.
You gotta jump for it.
I
Oh.
Yeah, what happened?
Ridgeford, that was just rude.
She went impatient. She decided she wanted to call in, so.
Paw.
Oh, awesome.
Good boy.
But it wasn't as bad as she
Good boy. And 2 more.
I need my CPR before September 7th.
Bridgie, come. Sit.
I got someone
Paw.
else's paperwork in with
Give
mine
me your paw.
like that. I am now
Paw.
Valerie Baxter.
Good boy.
That's it. Was that good? Tell you how organized I am.
Ow, Ridgeford. That was terrible. Come over here.
That's July.
Annie, sit.
God, what is
Sit.
this?
Paw. Good boy.
Oh, this is a training.
No, we're not cheating.
Sure.
Come on.
I will.
Jump study.
I'll look over this stuff.
Come on.
I'll sign it. Say I did it. I'll look.
Jump. There we go.
How you like
Good
me to do
boy.